Hey everyone, it's GTO Santiago. We're gonna do a walk around car club show we have in here. We got some of the family members right there and the car clubs right here. Some of the crews. Look at my honey right here. Show you some of the cars from my car club. Oh, it's pretty hot out here today. We're gonna do a little walk around, show you some of the cars from different car clubs. All these right here from the car club that I'm in to right here, DK Modify. And these are different ones. Right here have different car clubs. I hope you like what y'all see.
That one right there. Once I get on that, I'm on it.
The Mitsubishi Lancer. It's a cute little Toyota right here, Corolla. Little old school Toyota right here. We got some bikes. Very nice. It's a nice big truck, GMC. We got some Mercedes, some Camaros, some Lexus. We got a little Super Sport right here, Camaro. Let's go a little bit inside here so we can get some more videos. There's a little Jetta right here, Golf. That's a nice Jeep right there. Yes. Hellcat right here. Got people selling some stuff. Pretty good. It's gonna get a little bit bigger than this, so I might gonna end up making another video in a little bit. We got a little old school right there, Toyota. Let's come over here. We got some more stuff over there for sale. We got a vet right there. And I'm trying to figure out what is this right here. Yeah, it's an Acura. Wow. What kind of Acura is this right here? Oh, it's a TSX. Wow. Very nice. It's a station wagon one. It's cute. Oh, look at this right here, the Civic hatch. fully built. Very nice. Got some stuff selling here. Make sure I like that. Pretty much for right now. You got a little nice Mustang. That's my favorites. Right there. That's the guy who took the pictures, the videos over there. He does performance pictures. Does good work. That's his car right there. We got some more over there. We got some old schools. Let's go look at the old schools over here. This is what car club is this? If I'm not mistaken, I think it is Unique Car Club. You got the band right here. It's almost setting up. Still got more cars coming in. Let's look at these old school cars over here. It's a blessing having this car over here. Looking real nice and low. Got the steering wheel. Very nice and clean. Belongs to a cousin of mine. That's the one up there standing up. What's up, Bobby?
Got my man's in the house right here.
There you go, right there.
Got DK Modoified in the house.
Right there.
Representing their team, their whole crew's here. There's a whole bunch of bees.
It is a lot of bees
Killer bees are
around.
probably gonna win today.
Well, this is GTO Santiago talking. See you later on.
Hey!